Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'll show you exactly how to set up the Gmail SMTP server in 2025, step by step. If you've been looking for a reliable way to send emails through your applications, whether it's for email marketing, automation, or bulk messaging, stick with me because I'll walk you through everything you need to know. Let's get started. Step 1, security first. Enable two-step verification. Before setting up SMTP, you need to secure your Google account. Head over to myaccount.google.com/security. Under Signing into Google, enable two-step verification. This adds an extra layer of protection, and it's mandatory before you can generate app passwords. Step 2, generate an app password. By default, Gmail blocks basic authentication, so instead of your main password, you'll need a unique app password. To do this, go back to your Google account page, search for app passwords, and select it. Now create a new password by naming your app, for example, SMTP setup. Hit create, and Google will generate a 16-character password. Copy it right away because it won't be shown again. Step 3, configure your SMTP settings. Now it's time to set up the actual SMTP server in your application or service. Here are the details you'll need. SMTP host, smtp.gmail.com. Port. Use 587 for TLS encryption or 465 for SSL. TLS is generally recommended since it supports newer protocols. Encryption. Match this with the port you chose. TLS for 587, SSL for 465. Username, your full Gmail address. Password, that 16-character app password you just generated. Save these settings, and your Gmail SMTP server will be ready to go. And that's it. You've successfully set up the Gmail SMTP server for 2025. With this configuration, you can now send emails securely from your apps while keeping your main account protected. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more tech tutorials, and check out the description for additional tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.